Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a serious memory upgrade, the Timetec 80GB DDR3L kit. This isn't your average RAM upgrade. We're talking about a massive 10 sticks of 8GB DDR3L DDR3 1600 MHz memory. This kit is designed for desktop PCs and operates at both 1.35V and 1.5V, making it compatible with a wide range of systems. It adheres to the JEDEC standard, ensuring it meets industry specifications for performance and reliability. The modules are unbuffered and non-ECC, which is typical for desktop memory. They feature a CL11 latency and are dual-ranked 2RX8, based on a 512x8 configuration. The sheer size of this kit, 80GB, is impressive. It's aimed at users who need a lot of memory for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, running virtual machines, or handling large datasets. If you're constantly running into memory limitations, this kit could be a game changer. One thing to note is that the PCB color may vary between black or green, depending on the production batch. However, Timetec assures that all their products undergo rigorous testing to meet high-quality standards. So, regardless of the color, you can expect the same level of performance and reliability. Installation is straightforward, as it's standard 240-pin UDIM desktop memory. Just make sure your motherboard supports DDR3 or DDR3L memory and has enough slots to accommodate all 10 modules. Also, verify your motherboard's maximum memory capacity to ensure it can handle 80GB. In terms of performance, the 1600 MHz speed and CL11 latency offer a decent balance for DDR3 memory. While it might not be the fastest RAM on the market, the massive capacity more than makes up for it in many scenarios. The dual voltage support, 1.35V 1.5V, is a nice touch, providing flexibility for different systems and potentially offering some power savings when running at 1.35V. Overall, the Timetec 80GB DDR3L kit is a solid option for users who need a large amount of memory for their desktop PCs. It's reliable, compatible with a wide range of systems, and offers excellent value for the price. If you're looking to max out your system's memory capacity, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.